Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more interaction on Instagram. First, optimize your profile to make a strong first impression. Use a clear profile picture and a compelling bio that tells people what you do. Include a call to action and relevant keywords. Make sure your profile is public and use stories highlights to showcase your best work. This foundational step is crucial for attracting new followers and encouraging initial engagement. Next, focus on creating content that truly resonates with your audience. High-quality photos and videos are essential, but also consider using carousels to share more information or a series of images. Craft captivating captions that ask questions or prompt discussion, encouraging your followers to comment. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Around 5 to 10 per post can significantly expand your reach. Building a strong community requires active engagement. Respond to every comment and direct message promptly to show you value your followers. Utilize interactive features in Instagram stories like polls, quizzes, and question stickers to spark conversations. Going live regularly allows for real-time connection and Q&A sessions. Also, consider collaborating with other creators to tap into new audiences and expand your reach. Finally, continuously analyze your performance and adapt your strategy. Use Instagram Insights to understand which posts get the most likes, comments, and shares. Track key metrics like your engagement rate, aiming for at least 1 to 3%. Identify the best times to post when your audience is most active. Regularly reviewing this data allows you to refine your approach and consistently boost interaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.